everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Shelley-ann Henry, and before I go any further, you know how it goes. I gotta do some housekeeping. So don't forget to like my video, don't forget to share it, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. You know that bell right there, right somewhere there. Yeah. Don't forget to do that. So hit it, and don't forget to share, because sharing is caring, and that's what we do around here. We care. Okay, so first let me just say I am so sorry. I know that some of you will be like, where has this girl been? We haven't heard anything from her. We haven't seen her. We haven't even seen her silhouette. We haven't seen nothing. Like, did she move to Venus, Pluto, you know, one of those planets? No, I'm still here in Jamaica. I haven't moved anywhere yet. But you know, I was just going through some personal stuff, and it didn't give me no drive to do any video. But today I decided that, you know what, girl, it's time to get back on the bike. Even though I can't ride a bike, but hey, I'm going back on the bike. So this is just a video to just let you know that your girl is still around. I'm still here. I'm tired, you can tell. I am tired, but I am here. So in today's video, I don't really have a topics per se that I'm going to be talking about, but I'm going to be sharing some stuff with you that I've learned along the way. So as you know, my vlog or my channel, it deals with just me as a returning resident here to my beautiful island of Jamaica. Just some of the things that I'm learning that I've never known about my country, and things that I knew all along, things that I knew that have changed, and it's changed for the better or it's changed for the worse. But you know, I do pros and cons, and I try to do vlog. I did some vlogs, but I've never put them up because I'm never really too happy with them. But I hope as I go on, and you know, I will be able to do some vlogging and just show you some of the things that I do behind the scene. I did do a shopping haul once, but I don't remember. I don't think that one got put up. I'm gonna have to check with my technology, my techie team, which is my husband. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys, you know, what my supermarket shopping is like, and some of the things that I find I so love, and things that I use overseas that I find here. Yeah, sometimes you're here and you're thinking, oh, you know, even moving back home, you're thinking, oh, when I get home, I'm not gonna have this. Jamaica have a lot of nice stuff, especially food. Variety is just off the chain. If you're vegan, if you're somebody who's you know, allergic to gluten, you find all those things in the supermarket. Gluten-free, vegan food. If you are keen on just trying them out, but you're not really vegan like myself, you're in and out the kitchen, you've got those things, you know. So there's a lot of growth here in Jamaica. But tonight, I'm gonna share with you a few little tips or a few little stuff that I've learned along the way. And one of them is, I know as you return home, for some of you who are returning home, you're thinking of buying a house or building a house. So I was talking to my father-in-law, and I was asking him, because somebody had got in touch with me, they wanted to return home, but they wanted to buy a home. So I said, you know what, let me ask my father-in-law how you go about getting that done. And he said, why are you buying a house? Why don't you build a house? And in my mind, I'm thinking, well, it costs more money to build a house, because you're going to have to buy material, then you're going to have to buy the land, and you're going to have to, well, first of all, you got to buy the land, then you're going to buy the material, then you got to get some people to clean up the land, then you got to buy material, then you have to get workman, you got to get somebody who's going to work, and then he's going to get his men, and then you have to pay them, and then you're going to have to think about water, and all those things. So I was thinking, it costs more, but then he said, but then you have upper hand when you're building. When you buy, you just buy, and sometimes you don't know what you're getting. And when I thought of it, I thought, yeah, that makes sense. That's true. Even though for me, I think I still might buy, but saying that, I might build. because I just saw a piece of land that I love, and I'm hoping that I'll be able to get it. The view is just magnificent though. I can see the sea. If I get that piece of land, I can just stay on my balcony and overlook the beautiful sea. Zen. But don't know yet what's gonna happen at that venture. But yeah, some of the things, one of the other things I've learned is that, you know, when you buy your house, sometimes you don't know where certain things are, like that thing that gather all the waste. It's called a cess. Or a waste. You don't, sometimes when you buy, you don't know where it is. And nowadays what I'm getting to understand is that some of the houses that are built to be sold, they build those things underneath the house, and that's not really good. Because just imagine one day you're in your house eating your rice and peas and chicken, or having your nice mac and cheese, or having your jerk chicken, or your jerk lentils, or your jerk cabbage, and then all of a sudden you just smell, just something just comes out, and you're thinking, what's that? And everybody goes like, what's that? And then before you know it, things are coming, and the smell, the aroma is getting stronger and stronger. And as you do your detective work, and you realize it's that thing, that waste thing is under your house, and now it's causing problem. So take that in consideration. But when you build your house, you know where it is, you can tell them where you want it, and then you have a good idea where things are. Another thing is that I've learned that, especially for those of us who are thinking of living around Manchester area, I think it's a criteria now that you have to build a tank on your premises before you start building. That's the first thing you got to put up, a tank. And you know what, I agree, because water commission can, they can be a pain. Right now we're having problems with them. But my father-in-law, even though he didn't build a tank at the beginning when he was building his house, decided, you know what, it's time. And so he went in and built a tank. And you know what, it's been fantastic. Big tank. Last night we had rain umpteen times, so I know that tank is full and overflowing. Praise God. So we don't have to worry about water. I mean, if there's a drought, the only thing you have to do is just order water from a truck. If water is there. Because if there's a drought, we're not going to get water. But you know, hey, the Lord never leave us empty, completely empty. So yes, that's another thing. Make sure you build a tank. It's very necessary that you build a tank, okay? The other thing is, what was the other thing that, there was something else I wanted to tell you guys. Oh yes, another thing is, when you're going to purchase your land, make sure you see what that land is like when rain falls, okay? Because a lot of people buy their land and then they realize, you know, this is easily flooded, and you don't want that. So make sure you test that out to the T. And also, as you return home, if you're deciding that you don't want to live in a gated community and you want to live in a residential area, or you want to live somewhere else, make sure the area that you're living in is mostly returnees. I say that, it sounds bad, isn't it? But you kind of have a better chance of being safe. The safety comes first, you know, you need that. Or living among people that you know are good, upstanding citizens. That's very important, okay? And yeah, another thing is, when you decided to buy or sell, make sure you're going through somebody that come recommended. And sometimes you have to be on your guard with that. But when I say come recommending from somebody that you trust, that you know that will not recommend somebody who's going to rip you off. Yeah. So like for me, if I decided to build, when me and my husband, I know exactly who I will use. I know the builders that I would use. Yeah. I wouldn't look too far. I know exactly all of them. I have a plumber. There is an electrician. All of them, because they work for my father-in-law. So those are the ones I will use. Trust them. They're Adventists like myself, most of them. So yeah, not that I'm saying all the Adventists is trustworthy, but I'm just saying. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. I'm hoping to do some vlogging at some point. As I said, I'm just getting back in. I'm very tired. I'm doing this video and I'm tired. Can you tell? I'm just so tired. But yeah, I'm hoping to get back in, and I hope that I will be able to do some vlogging for you at some point in time. I was hoping to go to the movies today, but I didn't bother. um, yeah, I kind of didn't bother. I'm kind of happy I didn't, because I'm just thinking, oh my days, COVID is still out there. I don't know if I want to go be in an enclosed space with people I don't know yet. You know what I mean? Yeah. If it was outdoors, probably would push it. But then again, not only that, I didn't want to see the movie that is on. Kind of want to clear my mind, so I don't want to put anything in there. I'm on a journey to clear my mind. Yes, I'm on a journey. Another tip, let me give you a quick tip. Do you know one of the things that clear your mind is exercise, of course, and water, which I need to implement more in my diet, because I've become a little bit slack with water. Like today, I only think I've only had one. I only drink water once. Ooh, say that. Don't. Oh, girl. Flaxseed. Remember flaxseed? It clears the mind. Like maybe two to 3 teaspoons a day. You can have that on your cereal, whatever. Just a little health tips in there as I'm talking to you. So yeah, flaxseed is quite good, and also tofu. Tofu is good. Yeah, I'm not really a tofu girl, but I've learned how to, you can scramble it like egg, just season it up, use all your season like you're doing a scrambled egg, and it tastes good. I did it this morning for breakfast, and I really love it. And I had it on my bread with some avocado, and then yeah, and it was really good. It was really good. I enjoyed that. So that's just a little help tip, just to help you clear your mind if you're having any trouble. But anyway, that is it. Come to the end of this video, because my phone just said it's gonna die. So come to the end of this video. So until next time, don't forget to sanitize, wear your mask, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, share my video, and don't forget to walk in faith. Until next time, bye.